Hi, we're the Three Musketeers, and we chose to do the Friends Weight Loss Challenge. And my name is Jade.
I am Amelia Holman.
And I am Kayla Sherald.
On this first page, this is our cover page. We have our instructions and our name, and we also have a table of contents. We have used relative and absolute references, and as well as named cells. We named the cells in our weight input. We have both the beginning weight and final weight named, and we used that inside our percent loss per week for calculating our total percent loss. And then we have inside our kiddie pool, we have an absolute reference, which is our interest that we use to calculate in our new equation that we learned that was not learned in class. And then we have a a count if equation right here in our um, kiddie pool calculator. We also have a that we use to calculate how much money was owed, each person owed. Then we have a if and function inside here as well. We have mathematical functions just right here to calculate how much money was in a kitty each week, as well as mathematical equations inside this page. And then we have another if separate if statement here to calculate the overall winner. And another absolute reference inside that. And we have a chart.
Perfect. Yep, and then I was able to input this table that kind of shows who paid what and how much. And then for this overall project, I learned a lot about conditional formatting and making things look really nice. And then to go along with that, I did a lot of the data validation, and so I was able to hone my skills there as well.
I learned how to put a duck into graphs, which is just duck hunt, but I also learned how better to use if functions. Sorry.
With if functions, I also learned that using the or function within an if statement allows for the first allows for the condition of the use of the first condition or the second condition, whereas and in the if statements use both conditions for the inputs.